Marketing banners are a great way to advertise sales, display coupon codes, and add design elements. You can show banners on these pages: the home page, category, specific brand, and search result pages. Let's take a look at how you can leverage banners to convert your store's visitors into paying customers. To get started, go to Marketing, then Banners, and click Create a Banner. Enter a banner name. This is for internal purposes only and will not be visible to your customers. Add content for your banner here. Content can include images, video, and text like an active coupon code. Now you can select which page this banner will appear on. Please note, a banner can only be applied to one page at a time. Where your banner will show may help determine the content of the banner. A homepage banner is a great place to promote store-wide discounts, sales, or a campaign that you're currently running. You can also use banners on specific brand or category pages to target a group of products in particular. Select a date range for your banner to display and whether or not the banner should be immediately visible. Lastly, choose a location on the designated page for the banner, either the top or bottom of a page. When you are finished creating your banner, click Save. To preview it, click on the banner location. To edit previously created banners, click on the action icons. You can mark a banner as invisible on the storefront by clicking the visibility icon. Banners are a great way to promote campaigns that will drive traffic and convert shoppers to buyers. To learn more about other BigCommerce conversion tools, visit the Help Center.